Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best ergonomic keyboards 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Qwerty Keyboard. Elevate your typing experience with the Logitech ERGO K860, a wireless ergonomic keyboard designed for comfort and productivity. Its split-key layout promotes a natural typing posture, reducing strain on wrists and forearms. The curved design aligns your hands, wrists, and shoulders, while the integrated wrist rest, crafted with stain-resistant fabric, offers superior support for all-day comfort. This keyboard provides seamless connectivity with both Bluetooth and USB, ensuring compatibility across multiple devices. With precision-engineered keys, typing feels smooth and responsive, boosting your efficiency. The ERGO K860 is perfect for professionals and multitaskers seeking a healthier typing setup. Built to last, the premium materials and stain-resistant finish ensure durability, while the ergonomic design supports long-term well-being. Whether you're working at your desk or switching between devices, the Logitech ERGO K860 delivers natural, comfortable typing. Upgrade your workspace with the Logitech ERGO K860 and experience the perfect balance of functionality and ergonomic excellence. Number 2. Perixx Paraboard 535BL Wired Ergonomic Mechanical Keyboard. The Perixx Paraboard 535BL is a full-size wired keyboard designed for ultimate comfort and precision. Featuring low-profile blue Clicky mechanical switches. This keyboard delivers tactile feedback with an audible click, perfect for typing enthusiasts and professionals. The ergonomic design promotes a natural wrist position, reducing strain during extended use. With programmable features and customizable macro keys, this keyboard adapts seamlessly to your workflow, enhancing productivity. It's compatible with major operating systems, offering plug-and-play functionality without additional software. The sturdy build ensures long-term durability, while the full-size layout includes a numeric keypad for added convenience. Whether for work or play, the PERIBOARD 535BL blends style and function. Its sleek design is complemented by reliable wired connectivity, eliminating input lag for a smooth experience. Enhance your setup with this versatile, ergonomic mechanical keyboard, crafted for those who demand performance and comfort in equal measure. Upgrade your typing experience today. Number 3. X9 Wired Ergonomic Keyboard with Cushioned Wrist Rest. Enhance your typing experience with the X9 Wired Ergonomic Keyboard, designed for comfort and efficiency. Perfect for professionals and everyday users. This keyboard features a cushioned wrist rest to support your hands, reducing fatigue during extended use. With a full-sized 110-key layout, including a number pad, it's ideal for all your typing needs. The ergonomic design promotes a natural wrist and hand position, helping you type longer without strain. Its USB wired connection ensures a stable, lag-free performance, making it a reliable choice for laptops and desktops alike. The 5-foot cable offers flexibility in workstation setup, while the durable keys provide a satisfying tactile response for effortless typing. Whether you're working, gaming, or surfing the web, the X9 wired ergonomic keyboard delivers unparalleled comfort and functionality. Upgrade your workspace today and experience the difference of typing naturally and comfortably. Number 4. Perixx Paraboard 612B Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard. Elevate your typing experience with the Perixx Paraboard 612B, a wireless ergonomic split keyboard designed for maximum comfort and versatility. Featuring a unique split-key layout, this keyboard encourages a natural hand position, reducing strain during prolonged use. The integrated palm rest provides additional support for enhanced comfort. Enjoy the convenience of dual connectivity with both 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth modes, offering seamless compatibility with Windows 10, Mac OS X, and more. Switch effortlessly between devices, making it perfect for multitasking professionals. The reliable wireless connection ensures uninterrupted performance, whether you're at the office or working from home. Crafted in a sleek black finish, this US layout keyboard combines functionality and style. Its quiet yet responsive keys make typing a breeze, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling long projects or navigating your daily tasks, the Perixx Paraboard 612B provides an ergonomic solution tailored to your needs. Experience comfort and efficiency in one compact design. Number 5. The Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard offers a perfect blend of comfort and functionality, designed to enhance your typing experience. With its cushioned wrist and palm rest, this keyboard provides optimal support to reduce strain during long hours of use. The natural split design promotes a more comfortable typing posture, preventing wrist fatigue and promoting a more relaxed, ergonomic position. This keyboard features backlit keys with 7 vibrant colors and adjustable brightness levels, allowing you to customize the lighting to suit your style and environment. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or bright office, the backlighting not only adds a sleek aesthetic but also ensures visibility in low-light settings. Built with durability in mind, the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard ensures smooth, responsive keystrokes with every press, making it ideal for both typing and gaming. The plug-and-play setup means no software installation required. Simply connect it via USB, and you're ready to go. Whether you're typing up documents, programming, or gaming, the Arteck Ergonomic USB wired keyboard is the perfect addition to your workspace, offering comfort, style, and performance all in one.